Viking warriors filed grooves in their front teeth. Viking warriors filed grooves in their front teeth. Queen Elizabeth loved sugar so much her teeth went black. Queen Elizabeth loved sugar so much her teeth went black. Japanese Geishas blackened their teeth in the name of beauty. Japanese Geishas blackened their teeth in the name of beauty. Ancient people attributed cavities to the tooth worm. Ancient people attributed cavities to the tooth worm. Mayans decorated their teeth with gems. Mayans decorated their teeth with gems. Ancient Etruscans replaced their teeth with gold. Ancient Etruscans replaced their teeth with gold. Ancient Egyptians filled their teeth with barley, ochre, or linen. Ancient Egyptians filled their teeth with barley, ochre, or linen. The first toothbrush dates back 5,000 years. The first toothbrush dates back 5,000 years.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care.